Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Liquid Rainbow. My name is Tiffany and today I'm going to be showing you how to make tie-dye color swatches, so dye swatches, out of an old t-shirt. See, I've made one here in the past. And I just got this one here from the thrift store for $2.50. It's 100% cotton, $2.50, 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of stains on it, which is perfect for making tie-dye color swatches. So I'm going to be using Dharma Trading Fiber Reactive dyes today, and here in a moment I'm going to show you which colors we will do. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started. So as you can see, I have made some tie-dye swatches in the past, and over here I have the poster that Dharma Trading Company gives you when you first make an initial purchase from them. I am not associated with them or affiliated at all, but this is the first company that I've bought the colors from, and I really actually like them a lot. So for now, this is what I'm using. See here, I have circled and highlighted all the colors that I've purchased. Now, I have only used about half of the colors that I've purchased because I got really excited and I bought way too many. But that's all up to perspective. I plan on using them all. Today, I'm going to go ahead and pick out some colors that I haven't used. A lot of the pinks and lighter purples I have not used yet. So I think I'm going to start there. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this shirt into two pieces. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just cut along the seams. Wow. Okay, so one important thing before you put the shirt in the soda ash, like I almost did, is you're going to write down on the shirt with a permanent marker every color that you are going to make a swatch out of. Now we're going to go ahead and get this into the soda ash solution that I made yesterday. Okay, so we're back out here again. And like I said, I already made a video on how to mix a soda ash solution. If you want to see that, go ahead and click the link above and that will guide you to that video. For now, I'm going to go ahead and throw the shirt. I use these tongs. Saturate the shirt completely. All right, and then we'll go ahead and let the timer set for 20 minutes. And I'm going to just go ahead and start picking out all the colors that I'm going to make swatches of today. Okay, so we're just about ready to mix up our powder dyes here with I got all the labels on. I've got my measuring cup, my stir wand, and a measuring spoon. So also one thing I thought about after writing and preparing this shirt is that I actually don't have somewhere to lay this to dye. So I'm gonna have to cut out all of the pieces. So let me get to that real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and dye them all, put them in these Ziploc bags, and then leave them for 24 hours. Okay, everybody. everybody. So it's been well over 24 hours and I am here. I've unwrapped some of the swatches, taken them out of the bags, rinsed the bags, and put them upside down over in my dish strainer to let them dry so we can reuse them. But for now, I just start rinsing these out with cold water to start with. Once they start to run pretty clear, I'll move over to a little bit of warmer water. And then after that, I'll move to hot water. Once they're all running fairly clear of the dye, I will go ahead and throw them in the wash, dry them on a low heat cycle, and get back to you with the results. I'm really excited about how these swatches turned out. So I can't wait, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, so I've got all of the swatches washed. Got a stack of them here. So I've been working on cutting them out here. And I have also been adding these little eyelets. Putting them through a hoop, I'll show you. And then I can hang them on the wall over by my poster and grab them down whenever I want to pick out some colors to make a tie-dye. Okay, so I have been, last night I started cutting out the swatches just to make them into a little bit more of a, well, kind of like a rectangle. You can really cut them out however you'd like. Been using this leather hole punch. Kind of hurts my hand a little bit, so I wouldn't say it's the best, but I'm just gonna poke a little hole. There we go. And then I'm gonna take this eyelet tool that I just got at Walmart for $5-6. Really not the best quality. I was just kind of in a hurry, so I'm taking that. And then I'm gonna put this eyelet, I don't know if you can see the tiny little hole that I made. I'm gonna take this little eyelet and I'm gonna put it, see the hole is tiny, but this is t-shirt material, so it'll kind of stretch. Gently stretch it over the eyelet. Okay, and then this tool is kind of tricky. It took me a while to like figure it out. And I don't even know if I still have it figured out. It also kind of hurts my hand to squeeze this. But you set it onto there, and then this tool, you squeeze. There's probably a better quality one out there, but like I said, I was kind of in a hurry and kind of excited. And then it crimps it down, and then you have a little eyelet. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use yet, but I did buy this picture wire, and I'm probably just going to make little hoops to hang it on a nail on the wall, and then I can grab it down whenever I want, flip through the colors. Yeah, so far we've got those. Okay, so I'm just going to continue cutting them all out, and when they're done, I'm going to display them and show you all the colors up close, because I know you're probably really excited to see them all, and I realized I should have showed you first before cutting them out. Okay, so I'm going to try something different. Instead of with this leather hole punch, trying to punch a hole through each one individually, I'm going to see if I could do 5 of them together. Then I'm going to see if this will poke a hole. I heard a click. These poke holes through leather, so I figured it would go through, and it did. You might not be able to see it on film, but we've got a hole that went through the whole way. In a moment, I will go ahead and finish putting the eyelets with this grommet eyelet tool. I forget what it's called, $6 at Walmart. Really, it's not that great, but it does get the job done. To put these eyelets back through each one so we can put them on a key ring or a hoop or something and access them easily when we want to pick out colors to tie-dye. Now I'm going to lay them out and show you what we got here. Well, there you have it. We finished our first batch of swatches from Dharma Trading Company. I always forget the name of those dyes. These Dharma fiber reactive dyes. That's what we did today. We did a bunch of pinks and some reddish like pomegranate. And of course, the raspberries have more of a purplish blue hue to them. But I'm really happy with how they turned out. It was super fun making these. It's not too hard to make them. You can do it. However, it's just a little time consuming, but totally worth it. So I almost forgot. I'm just gonna go ahead and string all of my swatches onto this picture wire. There's probably something better. I was thinking originally of a carabiner, a metal carabiner, which also could work, but you need to get a pretty small one, and I figured I could hang more on this. And then for now, I'm just gonna twist this wire. Once again, I'm not too worried about it being perfect as long as it gets the job done. And for now, I have a little hook for my swatches. And I can pull them down and run through the colors, mix and match. So yeah, next I will be making, I believe I'll do most all the blues that I haven't used yet. So if you are interested in seeing what those colors look like, join me on one of my next videos. And thanks for watching.